video, we are going to be installing OE replacement shocks. These shocks are OEM replacements that are a bolt-on kit, and they also do come with some sway bar end links. As you can see, this is a one piece with the shock, the spring, the boot covers, and the top hat all ready to install on your 8th gen 2010 Honda Civic. To install this, you do need some basic tools. I'll discuss those as follows: a large electric impact wrench, a large torque wrench, a medium torque wrench, a small ratchet wrench, 19mm socket, 17mm socket, 14mm socket, 15mm socket, 12mm socket, 5mm hex key, medium electric impact wrench, 17mm wrench, 14mm wrench, and a pry bar. Using a 19mm socket, you want to loosen the lug nuts on the vehicle. Lift the vehicle. Remove all 5 lug nuts. Remove the ABS sensor line. Using a 12mm socket, remove the brake hose connection bolt. Using a 12mm socket, remove the brake hose mounting bolt. Using a 19mm socket and a 17mm wrench, use them to remove the shock absorber mounting bolts. Lower the vehicle down and open the engine hood. Remove the plastic cover. Using a 14mm socket, remove the shock absorber top mounting bolts. Once those are loose, you can remove the shock absorber. You can now install the new shock absorber. Tighten the bolts using a 15mm socket. Tighten the shock absorber top mounting bolts to 35 Newton meters for the shock absorber top mount bolts. You can reinstall the plastic cover, close the engine hood, and lift the vehicle back up in the air. Using a 5mm hex key used with a 14mm wrench, remove the old stabilizer link. Take out the stabilizer link. You want to install the new stabilizer link. Install the shock absorber knuckle mounting nut. Using a 19mm socket used with a 17mm wrench, tighten the shock absorber bolts. Torque these bolts to 100 Newton meters. Secure the brake hose. Using a 12mm socket, tighten the brake hose mounting bolt. Torque the brake hose mounting bolt to 20 Newton meters. You can secure the ABS sensor line and install the stabilizer link. Using a 17mm socket, tighten the stabilizer link mounting bolts to 50 Newton meters. Install the wheel back on the hub and use a 19mm socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle down back on the ground and tighten the lug nuts to 100 Newton meters